So in this section, I'm actually going to show you guys how I use placeit.net. Now, placeit.net is a service that's all on the web, and it's amazing. So what this actually did for me is kind of replace what I was doing in Photoshop or Canva with one system, because this one system provides my mockups, and it gives me a quick and easy way to upload my image and actually place it on a product. So I'm actually going to demo this for you right now. So what I did was I did a search for notebook mockups, because as you guys have seen, probably in the one pager, if you haven't gotten there, you will see it. I actually create notebooks using some of my artwork. This made it so much easier and amazing. So I'm going to just pick one here. So here I'm going to pick the spiral notebook mockup. The other thing that I love about this, because I have a tendency to go into squirrel moments, and I can source mockups. I could spend hours sourcing mockups on, Creative Market, Etsy, and all those, and kind of lose my focus. So this gives me the ability, it's got everything I need right here, and I can just go ahead and click insert my image. I'm going to upload a new image from my device right here, and let me go find it. So like this catacorn, I have created notebooks using this. I'm going to pop that in there, and it allows you to crop it. So I'm going to scale it to crop, click crop, and now it appears on the notebook. How easy is that? And then I can just click say download it. It's processing my mock-up. It'll email me when it's ready, or I can just sit here and wait. I'm going to go ahead and do another one. I'm going to favorite this, I think. All right, now let's do another one. So this one, I'm going to type in frame mockups. So here again, like this one, this would be cute for my catacorn as well. Nice girly pink room. And insert recently uploaded. Grab that one, scale it to size, and how easy was that? So this doesn't require any Photoshop skills. It doesn't require a lot of time and money. This I paid for a year subscription, and I think it was $89 for the year, unlimited mockups. So this was a huge value for me, considering I would spend anywhere from $8 to $27 or $32 on Creative Market just for a single mockup. So this was a huge win for me, and I'm happy to share it with you guys. I'm going to include a link in this section so that you can access the placeit.net, and if you love it, click on the link. It is an affiliate link, which means that I get a small commission as a thank you for saving you time and money, okay? So I hope you love this. Until next time, stay safe, happy, and healthy. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, pop them into the Positive Painter Artist community. We'll be glad to answer. All right, bye guys.